I'm using sulfur 8 and castor oil so that my hair won't be dry underneath my braids. Don't mind me, I don't even know what I was laughing at. So on both sides, I'm going to start off with a square section and I'm going to divide that into 2 sections. For now, I'm going to braid it up just to get it out of the way. I'm doing the same thing I did to the other side of my head, just applying the sulfur 8 and sealing my ends with the castor oil. I'm using a Spectra braiding hair in the color red. These are the 2 sections I was talking about. I'm gonna do 2 braids. I promise I did this same braid about 6 times before I got it right. I only edited it out because it took up so much space, but I did not get this braid right. I don't know, I really struggled with it. I really struggled. If you're wondering how many pieces of braiding hair I used for the small braids, I'm not sure. It may have been about 2 or 3, but I was really just going with it. Yeah, see, there's my struggle braid and my pretty braid. Again, I'm splitting that section into 2 parts, and I'm going to do 2 braids as I did on the other side. Here I apply Eco Styler gel to my hair and I'm just smoothing everything together. Here I'm doing my larger feet in braids, and as I get further to the back, I will include the smaller braids. Here I'm using my edge brush to smooth everything out, and off camera I went in with my blow dryer and kind of just set everything in place.